Now we are going to start new unit, that is a unit number 5, spreadsheet. And unit number 5, there is a session 1, introduction to spreadsheet. So in session number 1 we'll discuss about spreadsheets. Okay, so spreadsheet, this is the new package, new application, and in this session we'll discuss intro of the spreadsheet and what is the uses of spreadsheet. Okay, and spreadsheet, an electronic document. We talk about spreadsheet. So spreadsheet and electronic document, very much like the way your parents maintain an expense sheet in a diary, right? How will you use this, and what is the actual use of the spreadsheet in a computer system in our day-to-day life? Discuss. Okay, so if we use a spreadsheet, so it is provide a more flexibility, speed and accuracy as compared to the manual expenses sheet. It is also has many feature and function built in it, making it easy to use. Okay, so if we use a spreadsheet, so using the spreadsheet we can maintain all types of accounting information, all types of financial detail, all types of costs, all types of payments, all types of taxes and all types of income. We can arrange, we can store, and we can calculate, we can summarize all types of financial overview in a spreadsheet. Okay, so if we say the spreadsheet, so a spreadsheet is a very flexible also, right? Using the spreadsheet we can do many different things. If we talk about the spreadsheets are used in a variety of tasks like maintaining records, right? Maintaining a record. So in a spreadsheet we can maintain any types of record in a system, right? Like suppose that if we talk about students records, we can do. If we talk about employees records, also we can maintain. If we talk about data's records, we can do. So all types of records we can maintain in a spreadsheet. Now the second is analyzing a data, right? If you have a data, okay, so also we can analyze, like we have a how many data we are importing and exporting, purchase and sales, right? And how many data we have in the store. So all types of data we can analyze. Creating MIS, that means management information system. Okay, so any types of management system, if we want to create any type of management system, right? So we can create in a spreadsheet software, right? Like students information, management information, all types of detail we can store in a spreadsheet. Now next is generating graphs, right? Graph, that means if we want to see our data in a pictorial format, so that data we can represent in a picture, in a graph, right? In a chart. So we have a different types of graph or charts, so we can show our data in the graph format also. So also we'll discuss how we can use this. So this is also the main important feature in a spreadsheet, and it is very useful in a company, in a finance, or in a big organization doing financial calculation. And this is a very important feature, an application package for us, because sometimes we need to calculate a very complicated and very complex calculation. So Excel or spreadsheet provide a very good feature for us. Using the function and formula we can solve any types of financial calculation. Next is the managing inventory. If we talk about inventory control, so there is a bigger database system, inventory control. Okay, so all types of inventory control also we can do in a spreadsheet software. Like if we talk about a library report, so that is a database concept. So also we can store and manage all types of detail here in a spreadsheet. Budgeting, etc. We talk about budgeting. So budgeting, you can see also all your expenses, all types of your income, expenses. You can maintain a sheet, and you can maintain a format, and you can make a format, and after that you can fill the all types of income, expenses details, and after that you can see your financial report, like how much you are gain and loss, all the things you can see in a spreadsheet. Okay, so and so on. There are all more uses of the spreadsheets. You can use in a different purpose also, right? So now we have some popular spreadsheet softwares are, see, MS Excel, Microsoft Excel. It's a part of the Microsoft Office. Now the second is Microsoft Open Office Calc, right? So the Calc is a part of the OpenOffice.org software, right? And now the next is a Google document. So using the Google documents also we can create all types of records and maintain everything. So these are the popular software which we use in our day-to-day life and in our office or anywhere in the organization. Okay, so how will start the spreadsheet software, spreadsheet program? It's a very simple process. First of all, we need to install that software in a computer system. After that, we need to start this. Okay, we need to open that, right? You have a very simple process. This is, okay, you can see the first method is double click on the shortcut icon that is appear and display on the right, available on the desktop, right? So double click on that shortcut icon, right? And the second method is click on the start button, then choose the all program. After that we need to see that Microsoft Office, because the spreadsheet package is a part of the Microsoft Office, right? Suppose that we are using Office 7, we use Microsoft Office 7, Microsoft Office 10, 13, right? So it depends on the software. We need to select that software, and after that in the about down menu we have a Microsoft Office Excel, right? And we click on that software. So within a few seconds we can see one dialog box that will appear on your computer screen, right? So this types of screen you can see on your computer screen. Now I am going to show you a full screen, and also as a practical topic how we can start the Microsoft Excel on a computer system, right? So now we have a screen as that is a start but taskbar, and now we can see in the left corner that is a start button. We'll click on that, and there are many options, but we'll go to all program. Okay, now there are many application software, so we'll choose a Microsoft Office, and in the Microsoft Office there is a many application software, so we'll click on the Microsoft Office Excel 2007. So in my system there are 2007 Office, so if you have a 2010, if you have 2013, so you can use anyone. So we'll click on that. Now within a few seconds we can see a Excel window that is appear on our computer screen, right? So this is the Excel window. Okay, now we can see there are many options in that window. Okay, how will you use all the options in a computer system, and what is the use of the windows in the computer system in the Excel, we'll discuss. Okay, so there are many options, and this is our Excel window, and now we have a components of the Microsoft Excel window. Okay, so let's see in the next class.